Welcome, young musicians, to the fascinating world of articulation in music. Today, we're going to explore how adding special touches to our notes can make our music sound even more amazing. So, let's begin. Let's discuss articulation. Imagine each note as a colorful paintbrush ready to create beautiful melodies. But just like painters use different strokes to add depth to their artwork, musicians use articulation to bring their music to life. Long, long ago, Italy was like a magic land for music. Many composers like Mozart and Beethoven looked to Italy for inspiration. They used Italian words to describe how they wanted their music to sound. You know, music's like a big family. Musicians from all around the world speak different languages, but when it comes to music, we all understand each other. That's why using Italian words makes it easier for everyone to know exactly what the music is supposed to sound like. Now that you know some history about the Italian terms and where they came from, let's dive in. Staccato, legato, and accents. Composers tell their musicians whether they want the notes separated or smoothly connected. These markings are usually written down on a sheet of music to help the musicians know performance notes. The first one we're going to talk about is staccato. Staccato means to play the notes in a detached style. Can you say the Italian term with me? Staccato. It's shown by placing a dot over or under a note. When we perform staccato, it's almost as if each note has a small breath or space in between them. Our next Italian term is called legato. Can you say that with me? Legato. Legato means to smoothly connect the notes. Legato is shown by placing a curved line over a group of notes. When playing an instrument, this is called a slur. Take a look at the example below. Our next term is accent, which literally means to accentuate a note. You can hear it in this piece called Carmina Burana o Fortuna, the piece you're listening to currently. And the symbol looks like a greater or less than sign. An accent is like adding a special punch to certain notes. It makes them stand out and adds drama to our music. Articulation in general helps everyone stay together. It helps everyone follow the same set of rules so everybody plays in harmony. If everyone uses the right direction and articulation, the music can sound amazing. Let's open our eyes and see what articulation has to offer to music. Review. Let's see what we've learned through this video. We've learned about articulation. The Italian words accent looks like a greater than less than sign, means to emphasize a note. Staccato, with a little dot above or below, means to play in a detached style. Slur, usually for instruments, to play smoothly, or when playing a wind instrument without tonguing. And legato, to connect the notes smoothly. Now your assignment: to write in articulation and play it on the recorder. We want to make it sound more interesting. See your teacher for further instructions. This concludes our video about articulation, learning how articulation adds flair to music.